Hey. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a special video, guys. I'm shooting this video all the way from home, from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And this is how you see everything green, lush. Those are some bananas. But before we go far, have you subscribed? If not yet, please show some love by subscribing. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. So this day today is a big surprise. When we say big surprise, it's a big surprise. So you have been doing what we call like working very hard, saving, working very hard also about farming and everything. So today I want to be showing you something. I've received a call that there's something happening at our dreamland over there. So I want to go check on what's happening. Because when some of the local call you, like, you know, something is happening here, there's a big what you call like development happening here, so you have to rush to this place and check. But before that I've just told you I was very busy. This is what I was doing here. I was doing some nursery beddings. So when doing nursery beddings, this is what you see that has been doing here. So we have planted over a thousand what we call like sweet pepper. So the sweet pepper, those ones, we have planted more than 1,000 sweet peppers. They are called California Wonders. California Wonder is a type of with me, are they called capsicums or whatever, but here we call them, that's what pepper, that's what is being written there. It's called sweet pepper. So right here on this nursery bed, this one on my right side, it's all of sweet peppers, or what we call them, pilipili hoho. We call them pilipili hoho over here. So the type of California Wonder, right here we have planted California Wonder, and over here we have 2,000 carrots. We call them nantes. So while planting over this, actually on the picture they look very good. Hopefully they look very good. Hopefully they grow the way they are. So over here, this is a bigger one, a very big nursery bed. This one we have planted over 2,000 carrots. So yeah, I was doing over here. I was very busy looking after this place because I wanted like I want to transform something over here. Some of things like this, when I plant them on my dreamland, they still, so I decided to plant them actually near our compound over here at home. And over here I have a project like just bring maybe cows or a tractor to just plow this land, because I asked my dad, because I wanted to plant maize, but I told him no, I'll just do what we call like higher place, plant maize. Then this place, because it's near home, I can just plant my stuffs, like maybe shift here some watermelons or plant here some onions, because we have over 20,000 onions on the nursery bed on the other side. So yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. Look at even my hands. I've been working very hard about that. So I want to plant here over 20,000 what you call like onions, bulb onions, and also a place like starting from this point to this other end, what we call like watermelon. So I'm just waiting to see how stuffs are, because also I'm tracing on the weather. And the good place is that we have something that we'll be using, because also there's a well here, a borehole, that I'll be using to pump water on this other side. So this side we are doing what we call like bricks. I'm telling you guys, I'm very busy. That's why sometimes I fail on creating content and also even traveling. I want to base on agriculture and just promote myself a little bit. I see if I can even try to build a small house at our dreamland, you know. Look at this. That's a very nice banana. It's also ready. It's almost ripening. That shows you that it's almost very. So I want to head to Nyabohanse. I want to pick somebody, because he called me that he was working at around my site or our dreamland. So I want to go there and check what he has been saying, because he just told me to rush there. And I check on how everything is. There's a very huge what you call like development that is going on. And that's it. So watch this video till to the end. Full home, have some best flowers. This one looks like it's a rose flower, but not rose flower. Also over here we have this one. How do you call it? It looks like bougainvillea, but it's not Bougainvillea. It's a very nice. And also right in front of us in the neighborhood, I don't know if you can hear me from some music come from very far around here, not very far but just neighborhood. We lost a grandma. That's a grandma to Hello Baby official, so we lost a grandma there. So also we have what we call like a funeral or burial ceremony going. That's why you hear some heavy music from very far. So some condolences to Hello Baby officials family. And also that's how it's happening. As a neighborhood, we have to come together just to support each other. So it's very great. So let's rush to our dreamland and we check what's happening. Okay, all right. So one thing I'm also very much happy before I take you to our dreamland is that it has been raining very heavily, and I love the fact that we have a very great farm. We call it a kitchen garden, a very nice kitchen garden over here. We have some tomatoes growing also, and also look at how healthy this sukuma wiki is over here. Look, it's very healthy sukuma wiki. Look at this, a very nice healthy kales, all sukuma wiki, a very healthy one over here. So around here it's a very fertile place, but I'm very much sad about the dragon fruits that I planted, but they're not doing very much well. I don't know, maybe I shall do some more research about I'll do more researches about dragon fruits, and I think hopefully, because you have to try something new so that you can know how to do it. So like me, I tried it, but they're still stunted. They have a stunted growth. So maybe some days I just do what we call like learn how to do them, learn them well, and then maybe they can grow very well. And also if you know some tips about planting dragon fruits, please let me know. Okay, so this is how everything is around. So this is our beautiful compound here at home, and let's move to our dreamland. All right, let's go see what's happening over there. I'm going to surprise my wife. Actually, it's a very big surprise to my wife. She doesn't know about it. Let's go.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Lilo. Sweet baby.
Yes.
Look at your hand. It's covering the camera.
Oh, sorry. I hadn't seen. But hello guys. Hello. How are you doing? Anyway, hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching us from. Main Howie African Village Flavors here. Well, I'm heading to the farm. I hear like I need to go to the farm immediately, so that's where we are going. And I'm hoping there's good news or there's bad news. Are we starting construction?
No, come on.
What are we doing?
There's something very nice and special, because also I've received a call, but it's just a surprise for you.
Oh, it's a surprise for me.
For you, because also, you know, as we are moving around here, it's slowly by slowly. Show them there's something there. Dumping site. You see something at the dumping site?
Oh, an excavator.
You see an excavator?
Oh,
so
let me zoom.
You'll be able to see more. There's some development also.
There's some development going on. So hopefully, you see also we have some government cars around. Oh yeah, I think this dumping site needs to be moved, guys.
It cannot be removed.
I wish it can.
It could be removed if we raise our voices and we cry.
I think they're doing something about it. Either they're going to cover it or they're going to fence it. I think there's something.
It was once fenced, and some locals came, stole the gate. They stole also the pillars that were here. So now I think it's being pushed inside.
What a petty thieves!
Yeah, it's being pushed inside so that also, you know, it has been all the dumping things have been coming
to the road.
So now they're trying to squeeze it on. So
I'm hoping that they can do something even better. So, you know, so that at least we can all live in a healthy way. Guys, here we are, the beautiful couple from Nyabohanse.
Hey guys, now we're here.
Baba and Mama Maria.
Yeah, I'll show you my gambuts. They're very insane. They'll tell you a lot.
Oh, he was trying to do some farming again. He's a farmer, you know. Nowadays everything revolves around farming.
Actually, my dream is to grow, like, is to eat my own things that I'm growing, you know. Yeah, so I came to realize that when you grow something, when you see something growing up, actually when you consume it, it really gives you that hope, like, oh wow, I haven't spent much, maybe
you feel good about it.
You feel good about it. It's the same way It's the same way maybe when you have a child and you see her or him grow.
Succeeding.
Yeah, so it's a very... Actually, it's...
So guys, we're on the road.
Yaje jomba. Nakuona?
Chacha, hi.
Unipatia hata moja bwana. Eh, chacha bwana. Acha mama ni za wadosi. Chacha, hata wadosi hata sisi tutakuwa wadosi. Haya, nitakutafuta.
Poa. Yeah, so that was Chacha Steve. Is Chacha Steve, right?
No, that's not Chacha Steve. Chacha Steve is Lynette K's
brother.
That's Chacha Richard.
Oh, Chacha Richard.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are heading to our farm, guys. It's a very nice road. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. I don't know. Actually cruising.
It wants to rain.
It's drizzling actually.
Yeah.
That's our dad. So let's head to our land and we see how everything is. And that's it. So this is a very famous road. It's called Nyerere Road.
All the way from Tanzania.
Yeah, it's called Nyerere Road actually. It's called Nyerere Road. And the one in Tanzania it's called Kenyatta Road.
So this is Nyerere, the first president.
Yeah, it's Nyerere Road and the other one is Kenyatta Road.
Kenyatta Road.
Yeah, so definitely that's how it is. There's some what you call like
anyway,
some exchanges of might not know.
What's going on? You don't want to tell me what's going on?
No, let's go and check what's happening because also I don't know. I want to pick somebody here.
Oh,
I'm gonna be going here. It's a very good supplier of ours of sand,
ballast and everything.
Materials and
yeah.
I wanna do what you call like pick him here, then we go and see.
Okay.
But there was something that was happening. So this is Nyabuhansi State, guys.
Let me show them this.
You start here.
Is he here?
He's
there he is. I've seen him. Agricultural service providers. This guy is a serious fan.
He has an agrovet where where we sometimes we buy goods from him, like seedlings. Yeah, so definitely let's proceed down. We see what's happening. And right in back seat we have
a very good friend of ours,
and a good supply of
Chacha Nyamwini.
A good supply of materials.
Yeah. Raw materials for construction.
And also poles. We are fencing poles. The poles that you saw that I was fencing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. And our land is being visible from this point. Oh my god.
Hey guys, so it looks like our road is going to be, I'm so happy because at least, you know, when you're next to construction is taking place and you have a big road that's accessible. This road has been a menace. It has been a lot of stress. Let me show you. This is how it has been. Like even the tractor itself gets stuck here. And now that it's a rainy season, guys are planting. And they're making a lot of noise, of course. Yeah, and now that... Hey, look. Not sure if you can see well. Look. Wow. They're complaining or they're not happy about something. Yeah, they're not happy about something, so they're complaining. But anyway, I'm happy the road is being, you know, there's some big, huge difference, huge construction, or like not construction really, like at least there's some progress in infrastructure, you know, road infrastructure. So guys, feels good. Look at that one quarreling. Hi. Reviews. They're giving their views. Hey, hi. Go serious? Yeah.
That's what we call like now. We have what we call like there's what we call like new development.
So this,
And the surprise is like even when you'll be bringing material, this will be the best place actually.
it will be a good road. At least it's wide.
Here there's a car coming. It's actually
A tractor.
a tractor. So that's what's happening. And it's a very big development.
Like, you know, we never thought it would be dug anytime soon. We knew like this will take like years and years. I'm surprised that
Just moving all
the county government decided to open it, you know.
You know, now it's a very good area. Now, let's try to see because it's a lot.
Are they likely to put even the maram?
I'm not quite sure, but
I hope they do.
I hope they put it. But the best time is when they could have that's what we call like plowed this when it was a dry season. But now, what? Hey,
Even our car cannot reach here.
yeah, it cannot. But let's try to see because they are now waiting for this. Let's wait and see what will be happening. You know, the better thing is you wait. See what's the difference of these things.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
Is that
is that someone, the person we know? That's Max One. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah.
So let's wait and see what's happening.
Yeah. So guys, can you see how it looks nice? From this here the view is beautiful and we love it. Aye.
Morokia mgambiga tunataka hivi. Hii njia naileta hapo kwa sababu yenu. Tafadhali.
That's what you see. There's a road coming. It's very great development. So this is what the surprise I told you.
So this was the huge surprise.
The huge surprise. You have a very accessible.
It's impressive.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
And actually, the good thing is now we'll be moving from here to Sirari. So even I think most
So there's no need of going all the way. It's just
also most of the YouTubers will not be using the long route. They'll be passing through the short and then
they go away. They go to the border town. It's impressive. At least we have.
I'm very grateful because now things come hand in hand. Even here now, even bringing materials
would be very difficult.
Also passing with, you know, if you come with the locker here, sometimes it crashes your bumper. Crashes your bumper, it crashes anything. But right now, you're very much okay. That maybe I'm praying also for subscribers. You were wishing to come with your very low car. Come.
They have small like lockers.
Yeah, so
hopefully
it will be very much okay.
Yeah.
So let's wait and see. At least when they will be doing this way, sometimes you can rethink of giving them 2 terms.
Yeah. You can re-elect them. Wow.
Very nice and great. That's what it is happening.
Yeah.
Very big machine. literally the neighborhood is looking a little bit okay, but yeah, so the only funny thing is it's being rectified during the rainy season right now, but hopefully everything will go well. So they are trying to make this, and this is a football pitch where kids also maraba always come to play football. But I love the fact that it has a very greenery area. That's one thing I love about this area of ours, and also the trees, very very nice. And yeah, so definitely let me just walk you through this area. I'll just walk you up to the place where is the last point of this road actually, you know. So starting from the point where our dreamland is, we're just walking slowly by slowly all the way through this side, you know. So there's a crazy corner here. The owner was saying don't tamper with my corner, so they really tried to just balance him, you know. So one thing about these people who are doing this road is, if you talk to them well, they will definitely favor you. But if you talk trash with them also, you'll end up having that they have made what you call like how do you call this, a trench through that will run water towards your land. But anyway, it's part of life, and let's keep on moving, and I share with you what's good around his side of our road. So majorly people here usually farm. This is a sugarcane plantation over here. It's sugarcane plantation all the way through the river, you know. So let's keep on moving and we see what's good and what will be happening. Okay guys, these guys who are just neighbors here, they planted trees alongside. So this place, it's kinda not wider compared to where we came from this side, compared from where we came from. So they really did what we call like planted trees alongside the road, but it looks very great, you know. And we have some of the indigenous trees. Literally long time ago, this place used not to have a road. So this road was really launched some few years back. It was launched some few years back, like not in less than 10 years I think, this road. So it was a newly built road. Now they're doing what you call like expansion of it, because now it's going to connect towards another road that heads to the border town. So it's just a walk through. Yeah, so it's a walk through. Down here there's a river that most people usually go to fetch what you call like sand. So you see, all these guys were very clever. They planted trees alongside. So this one really it really beautifies the road. Even me, some days back, I'll just do the same, plant trees, but not these eucalyptus trees. I'll plant more of fruit trees, and maybe more of indigenous trees. This river, this is the same river that really heads to our side, connects to downwards up to Nyabohanse going. But this is what you see. Hey, I'm not quite sure if today they'll be done making this road, but let's pray that maybe some days, maybe sooner, it will be, because look, today it will be a muddy day, but hopefully it won't rain today, so that it can facilitate the look. Even this place, even themselves, they are doing what we call like getting stuck, because it's rainy season. But it will be better. It's actually, let's say it's a good job well done, because sometimes If they don't do this, then we people cannot do this, because this belongs to the government, and at least they are doing it. We will be having a very easy access, because it was kind of bushy. Even that place of mine there, it was very bushy, but right now it's being cleared, which means it's very going okay. Oh wow. So right there, we have, right down there, we have sand. Right there, let me show you. There's some heaps of sand just there. There's some heaps of sand there. Yeah, like right there. Heaps of sand. And this boy has been following me. Mura, unasema aje Mura? Kopoa? So, look how people have land, guys. Wait, usually this guy is a very rich man. Look how very better land. From all up downwards to the river. Hey, wait and see how these tractors are doing, because we are moving with them slowly, but as you see how stuff are. So that's the truck, the caterpillar, you know. All right.